This is the 2-patch of the replacement batteries for the Ring doorbell cameras, spotlight cameras, and things like that. This is what it looks like when you pick these up here. It comes with the charging cable right here, and you get the 2 batteries in there. Each one of them is pre-packaged. I'll just open this one up right here. I'm a repeat buyer of these. This is probably the 4th set I bought. We operate a property management company, so we use Ring devices at all of the properties. And this is a really great upgrade. The reason why we chose this one a while back is because these have the higher battery life. These are rated at the 7200, and the standard Ring battery is rated at 6,000, so you're going to get the extra 1,200 in the battery capacity here, and just a really great battery. It's the same, just like OEM, it fits the same. I actually have a Ring, actual Ring one right here. You could see this is the Ring here. You see it's printed on the side right here. Anytime they go down or they stop functioning properly, I switch to this brand here, and just again, very happy with it. You could see it's just same exact thing. If you're screwing it in here at the bottom, it's got the screw there. If you got the plugs right here, it plugs in. It's got the same things. It's the exact same retrofit battery. Just a really nice upgrade because you're gonna get more storage out of here. A lot of these batteries we use with the solar powered thing outside, and it just charges up faster and it charges up longer, so it stays charged longer. So if you have a lot of motion on there, the 7200 is definitely going to come into play there. So you get the 2-pack right here, both individually wrapped. You get the charging cord, just a really nice upgrade if you're looking for an extended battery life in your camera. So definitely want to pick these up.